Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to take a screen record on Redmi Note 14. Alright guys, so if you want to record your screen while on a video call, or you also want to show a tutorial on something on your cell phone, of course you need a screen recording. And don't worry guys, the Redmi Note 14 cell phone provides a screen recording feature. So you don't need to download any additional application to record the screen. And so yeah, how to do that is very easy. And now let's get started to the tutorial. Okay, now you can swipe down to go to control center and you can activate the screen recorder from here. You can click and then you can click this red button to start the screen recording. And so yeah, you can click on the red button again to stop the record, and the result will shown on your gallery guys. So yeah, here's the result of your screen recorder. And so yeah, here's the tutorial, and thank you so much for watching guys, and see you on next video. Bye bye.